In today's digital age, the internet offers a plenty of opportunities to make money online, providing financial freedom and flexibility that was once unimaginable. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, quit your day job, or simply explore new avenues for financial growth, there are numerous ways to earn money online. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 10 easy ways to make money online that can help you achieve your financial goals. Before we get started with the video, please make sure to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. At number 1, we have freelancing. One of the most accessible ways to make money online is through freelancing. If you possess skills in writing, graphic design, web development, or any other field, there's a high demand for freelancers. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking specific services. To succeed as a freelancer, build a strong portfolio showcasing your skills and previous work. The key is to provide high-quality services and build a positive reputation to attract more clients. Number 2, online surveys and market research. Several websites and apps offer opportunities to participate in online surveys and market research studies. While this method won't make you rich, it can provide some extra income or gift cards. Popular platforms like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Vindale Research reward users for their opinions and participation. Number 3, selling products online. E-commerce has transformed the way people buy and sell products. You can start your own online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy, or sell products on established marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Consider dropshipping, a business model where you partner with suppliers to sell products without stocking inventory. Alternatively, you can create your unique products or source items to resell. Next up at number 4, we have content creation, blogging, and YouTube. If you have a passion for a specific topic or expertise in a niche, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. These platforms can generate income through ads, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and product sales. While it may take time to build a substantial following, consistently creating high-quality content can lead to significant earnings over time. Patience and dedication are key in the world of content creation. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales or leads generated through your referrals. You can become an affiliate marketer for numerous companies and products across various niches. The success of affiliate marketing lies in creating high-quality content, such as product reviews and recommendations. Your goal is to build trust with your audience and provide valuable information. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate. Number 6, online coaching and consulting. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider offering your services as an online coach or consultant. You can provide one-on-one coaching or conduct group sessions. This is a great way to leverage your knowledge and help others while earning an income. Platforms like Zoom and Skype make it easy to connect with clients worldwide. Focus on building a personal brand and marketing your services through social media and your website. Let's have a look at number 7, remote work. Many companies now offer remote work opportunities, allowing you to work from the comfort of your home. Various job boards and websites like Remote.co and FlexJobs list remote job openings in various industries. To secure remote work, ensure you have the necessary skills and equipment, and be prepared to submit professional resumes and cover letters. Remote work offers the benefits of a traditional job without the need for a daily commute. Number 8, online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, you can become an online tutor. Many students and professionals seek online tutors to enhance their knowledge and expertise. Platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, and Tutor.com connect tutors with students. Building a reputation for providing excellent instruction and results is essential to attract more clients and command higher rates. Number 9, stock market and trading. For those interested in finance and investments, the stock market offers opportunities to grow your wealth. You can start by educating yourself about investing and trading through online courses, books, and financial news websites. While trading carries risks, careful research and risk management can lead to profitable investments. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risks. At number 10, you have an option for online real estate. Real estate has extended to the digital realm through platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate properties online, even with a small budget. Investing in online real estate can provide passive income through dividends and potential property appreciation. However, as with any investment, conduct thorough research before committing your money. The internet has opened the doors to countless opportunities for making money online, ranging from freelancing and e-commerce to content creation and remote work. The key to success is to find a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. While many of these methods can be lucrative, they require dedication, patience, and continuous learning. When venturing into the online money-making world, remember that there are no shortcuts to instant wealth. Building a sustainable income online takes time and effort, but the rewards can be well worth it. Start exploring your options today and take the first step toward achieving your financial aspirations in the digital age. With the right approach and determination, you can make money online and enjoy the freedom and financial security you desire. Making money online is an exciting journey, but it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and dedication. Whether you're looking to earn extra income or replace your traditional job, the opportunities are out there.